Hello everyone, I'm Pinkie Pie.
Oh no!
Startle.
Oh.
The old tape blew out. Pinkie was curious about the tape, so she decided to check it out. I'm curious as to what it is.
La, 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 la.
It's the couple Amanda the adventurer.
Stop now!
Amanda was so spoiled, took the food but didn't pay. Willie is very upset about this. Two people chasing each other fiercely.
Oh!
Oh, so it's a joke? I thought it was real.
Oh!
Stop laughing, eat it, I'm so hungry. After eating cake, you have to drink water, right?
Huh?
OMG. Willie drank all of Amanda's buttermilk. Amanda got angry and came up with a Willie toll.
Huh?
Haha. He sticks beating his back. Amanda broke her shoe, is it worth it?
I'm sorry.
Willie still kindly apologized to Amanda.
Stop!
Pinkie immediately Amanda did not let her hit Willie. Pinkie will help fix her shoes. Wipe your shoes clean first. Use glue to fix the torn part of the shoe. Stick it to the joint so it doesn't come off. Spray paint again for even color.
Wow.
Pinkie Pie is so good.
Wow.
Now our channel has a new set of characters, Amanda and Willie. Do you guys like these two characters? The episode is light but quite fun. Hope you guys continue to support our channel. Love all. What is Banbaleena doing? My guess is that it is the Feng Shui statue that decorates the front of the house. Don't know what it looks like? Ah. It turned out to be Banbaleena's statue. She's quite invested in her image, isn't she? It looks cute too. Elsewhere, Sheriff Toadster and Banban are playing baseball together. Oh no. Banban hit the ball too hard. Be careful not to break things. Oh my god. Just as I expected, the baseball flew so hard that it broke Banbaleena's new statue.
Oh no! Not me!
Sheriff is not responsible, but runs away from Banban to deal with the consequences.
All right!
Banban quickly took the shard and went home to resculpt it for a new statue. Use a hammer to break the clay. Put the clay in a pot to melt it out. Add water and stir it up. Let's knead with bonbon. Using steel wire to fix the skeleton. Let's start shaping according to the iron frame. I am a person who loves to watch pottery but have not had the opportunity to mold it directly. Are people like me? Wow. Banbaleena is so clever that the statue looks so soulful.
Oh. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god. The back of the statue is broken, hurry up and add it. Ta-da. Finished excellently. Let the statue dry. Not sure how long to dry? Wow. So beautiful.
Oh.
Take out the statue and use a fan to cool the statue. Finally, the painting show. Banbaleena went out of the house after a good night's sleep.
Oh my god!
She is very sad when she can't see her statue.
Huh? Oh.
While feeling sad, Bonbon pushed the new statue to her. The girl scolded and asked Bonbon what happened.
I'm so sorry.
Bonbon told everything and sincerely apologized, so he was forgiven. Banbaleena is a girl who loves art, especially collecting ceramics. The little girl ordered ceramics made of herself to put in front of the house and looked very beautiful. Banban and Sheriff Toadster playing ball accidentally hit the statue, causing it to break. However, Banban is very responsible for his actions, not running away like Sheriff Toadster. Twilight Sparkle is reading a book on the sofa happily. The figure outside the window says it's possible to make a potion that makes the legs soft and not callous. Figure rushes home and prepares Twilight's potion. First, I will pour the blue water in. Next, put it in a yellow potion that looks very eye-catching. The water bowl turns green and looks so beautiful. Stir well for the medicine to take effect.
Hey, hey!
The figure then calls Nabnab and what are the two of them planning?
No!
You figure wants Nabnab to lick Twilight's leg with potion. The figure still made Nabnab drink and then started his plan. Figure blowing Nabnab into Twilight's house. What a bad plan by Figure. It's just for the sake of making a profit for their store, but despite creating drugs containing many harmful viruses and then attacking the feet of customers. This is an act that should not be done and deserves criticism. Do people think Figure is punishable? Stay tuned until the end to know the answer. Nabnab approached and licked her leg. After licking Nabnab, he ran away. Twinlight's legs are green. The girl heard the noise but looked around and saw nothing. The little girl read a book for a long time, so she started to feel sleepy. Haha. The girl fell asleep fast. You Twilight's feet stink and they're so dark. Oh my god. There's too much bacteria on her feet. The bacteria are attacking the little girl's feet, causing her fear. Twilight Sparkle cried and ran to the Figure nail salon asking for help. Figure smiled and told her to rest assured, it was a small matter for him. But Twinlight doesn't know this is Figure's scheme to get her money.
Oh.
Now we have to get rid of these bacteria first. It's effective. The bacteria are slowly falling. However, but the feet are still very dry and not yet soft. Figure brought out a bag of herbs to make a foot bath? Do you think so? There are many precious herbs and need more hot water to prepare. I guessed right. It is used to soak feet. Just looking at it makes me feel good. Wow, my legs look like they've been revived. Very clean and soft. Twilight happily said goodbye to leave. The Figure happily looks at his wallet, satisfied that everything is going according to his plan. Figure people appear many bacteria. It's really worth the bad guy. Unfair business. In contrast, Pinkie Pony is leisurely reading a book on the chair, while Figure has to clean the house and smell good. The house will smell nice. The Figure happily brings a plate of fresh fruit to Pinkie. Suddenly, the doorbell rings. Pinkie gently told Figure to hurry up and open the door to see who's coming over. Oh, so it's baby Rainbow Dash. The girl brought something invitation.
Thank you.
Figure happily receiving cards. Dash then quickly said goodbye and left. Pony is eating fruit when Figure calls. There must be some special event, so the Figure is very excited. The Figure quickly showed Pinkie. Wow. So there's an invitation party. Would you like to join Pinkie? Oh no. An unpleasant odor from Pinkie's mouth. Embarrassed girls should quickly run away. Who on the face too many acne will make a girl confident. What to do to help Pinkie here? Let's do something together to clean our teeth first. Put in the right amount of cream, use a soft bristle brush and let's start. This step is important. We need to bring the brush to each of the teeth to clean our teeth thoroughly. Finally, rinse your mouth to clean the foam and wash away the plaque. Use a face towel to clean your face. Remember to wash your face towel for next time. Squeeze out the water and dry it on a clothes rack. Huh. Now how do I deal with this pile of acne? Take the medicine and see if it works. Apply evenly. Wow, the medicine worked. Acne has quickly cleared. The face looks like it's been revived. Now it's time to start making up. Pinkie uses blusher to add vitality to her cheeks. That looks like a highlight. Let's hit the other side together. It's true that there are no ugly girls, only girls who don't know how to be beautiful, right everyone? Each of us is conscious of beauty and health. Beauty here is not beautiful for anyone but beautiful for yourself. Take good care of yourself so that you are always fresh and beautiful. Everyone should pay attention to health from the inside as well as the outside to have the best appearance. Don't forget to draw your eyebrows, girls. Apply mascara for more soulful eyes. Because the eyes are the windows to the soul, you should pay attention.
Wow!
Let your hair down and you're done with the makeup layout for today's event. What a beautiful girl.
Wow!
The figure is intoxicating seeing Pinkie so radiant. It is true that there are no ugly women, only unbeautiful women. So girls, always take good care of yourselves. SOS. Pinkie left in such a hurry that she forgot to bring the invitation card.
Because you're